The Smartscope is a digital device that mimics the design of a traditional medical microscope that allows pathologists to instantly evaluate digitized slides without compromising on the speed or accuracy of their workflow. Usually when a patient has a biopsy, that's where a doctor takes like a little sample of the tissue that's questionable and sends it off to a lab. We end up putting it on a little glass slide. We stain it with some artificial stains and look at it under the microscope. In a lot of cases, with practice and training, we can tell very rapidly what the patient has. So we type that up in a report and send it off, and that's the report that shows up in your electronic medical record. Your doctor will grab it and they'll talk to you about it, et cetera, et cetera. So now the Smartscope replaces that physical slide with a digitized version of that tissue. It works by basically a proprietary system that tracks very precisely and very smoothly how a dummy slide is rotated and translated on the stage. It translates those movements in real time to rotating and shifting a whole slide image that's being displayed inside the oculars. The huge advantage there is we sometimes have to do expensive testing and things like this. We believe from a number of research studies in recent years that very sophisticated artificial intelligence programs can simulate some of those expensive, time-consuming test results. And then as a check on that, a human can look at the result, look at the image that will look almost like another slide to them. They can look at that, they can evaluate that, and if the physician decides the algorithm is wrong here or there's some sort of question, we could run the actual test in reality. So it gives us more tools to deal with important questions of disease in a way that will hopefully reduce cost and make the whole process faster.